Hey guys, welcome to another episode on your favorite channel. So today I'm going to continue our story about where statement, and I'm going to show you a few more ways to use this command. So you probably know about select statement, and first keyword in this statement it's select, second it's from, and then you could use your where statement. So after where statement you are going to provide actual condition. So we are going to start with our units equals to kilograms, and if we run our code you see we have our result. But what if we provide not? And if we run this code, you see that command not in front of condition negates that very same condition. So instead getting all of those values with measuring units in kilograms, we are going to get all of those values that are not measured in kilograms. And you could use this not keyword with all of values, so you don't have to provide textual value, you could provide numeric value. Let's say we are going to provide price greater than 3, and if we run this code you see we have selected only those elements with price less or equals to 3 USD. And if that is clear, I'm going to show you a way to combine multiple conditions. So you are not limited to only one condition, you could provide multiple. In what way? You could use it with and statement or with or statement. So if I say I would like to select units equals kg and price greater than 3, in this way I'm going to select all of those items measured in kilograms with price greater than 3 per units. And if I run this code, you see we have only cheese. And what if you use or? You are going to get all of items that fulfill any one of these two conditions. So you are going to get all of items measured in kilograms and all of those items with price greater than 3 USD. Let me show you what is going to happen now. And you see all of these items are in kilograms, but you see that these two items, sugar and salt, are not fulfilling this second condition, but they're fulfilling this first one, and this is absolutely fine. So in this way you are able to use multiple conditions. And now I'm going to teach you one more method. So for this method you are going to first provide a column name. So for this case I'm going to use item name and then keyword like, and with value you are going to provide pattern. And what actually pattern is, you are going to use this percent sign, and let's say I am going to type U in between. I'm going to run this code and see we have only sugar and a muffin. And now how this method works. So keyword like allows you to provide a pattern in order to search for some textual value. And what this pattern actually means. So I would like to select all of values from item name, where you have some textual value in front of letter U and some textual value after letter U, you see. And only two elements that fulfill that condition are actually sugar and muffin. Let me delete this. I'm going to give you another example. Let's say I would like to select only those items that have letter E in it. Item name, like, and percentage sign, E, and another percentage sign. If we run this code, yeah, I forgot the most important part. Yes, we have bread and we have cheese. So to summarize, with this percentage sign in pattern, you are providing unknown value. And with these other letters, you are providing a piece of value that you already know. So in this way, we are able to select only those items that start with a letter capital B. You see, we have bread. Or we are able to select all of those items that end with N. And if we run this code, you see we have muffin. So I truly hope that you like this content, and in next episode we are going to dive deeper into SQL statements. So that's all for now, guys. See ya.